All right, y'all. Here we see this home and we're looking at the gutters. If you notice, this front lower gutter here is drooping and it's hanging off. And the reason for that mostly is because there's not enough hangers there. They're placed about every 2 feet. It should be at least one every 18 inches, ideally probably with as much rain as this gutter is getting. Every foot would be a good idea, but it's not the only reason why that gutter appears to be failing. We're also seeing this downspout coming onto this porch roof. So this gutter system here on the lower part is catching all of the water that this roof line on this side of the ridge is getting. Okay, so that's a lot of water coming in there, and there's only 2 downspouts on this entire lower gutter system, which is well over 60 feet. Ideally, you want a downspout every 30 feet or less. And so with these combination of factors, we're seeing a failure here. Plus, these are 5-inch gutters right now, and there's no reason not to have 6-inch gutters. So these are some things that you want to be aware of. Lastly, as a kind of an aside, while there are 3x4-inch downspouts here on the lower gutters, on this upper gutter and this one over here as well, it's a 2x3 downspout, which is way undersized for the amount of rain that this roof will get and these gutters will catch. Really, a 3x4 downspout, especially if you only have one, is what's going to be needed, because sometimes that downspout cannot outlet the amount of water that gutter is catching in the appropriate amount of time. So a few things going on here. Pretty good example of how you want to make sure that you're paying attention to the details and going a little bit extra, especially when it comes to gutters in an area that gets as much rain as we do here in Western North Carolina.